Mehsan tatmayısın Mehsan. Başladın mı? Уже тартып атасың. Тартып атасың мı?
You look so dumb right now, standing outside my house, trying to apologize. You're so ugly when you cry, just cut it out. Don't tell me you're sorry 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught, but you put on quite a show. It really helped me going. Now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show. Very entertaining, but it's so